Welcome friends, myself Shoptapurni from BioLive. Hope all of you are doing very well. Today we are going to discuss about the solutions of general paper questions. Total 50 questions which have come in West Bengal SET examination 2022 held on this Sunday 9th January 2022. Okay, so this is not the final answer key as the final answer key has not yet been revealed by the West Bengal SET website. This is a kind of, you may call it a provisional answer key. Okay, this is just for your reference to check out how many questions you have attempted right, okay, correctly. So let's begin. So if you are new to my channel, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell button given below, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends, okay. And if you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, okay. So and you can also follow me in my Facebook page, Facebook group, or in my Instagram profile. So okay, let's begin. The first question asks, which of the following types of research depends least on the empirical facts? Empirical fact means that type of research which depends on observation and experiments. Okay, the options are ethnographic research, phenomenological research, philosophical research, and experimental research. From these options, only philosophical research does not depend so much on the observation and the experiment, so the correct answer should be option C. Okay, next, the regulation for protecting private and organizational data recently being used across the globe is known as General Data Protection Regulation. Okay, option C, GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. Okay, coming to the next question, a sampling frame. What is a sampling frame? Sampling frame is actually a list of all units in the population from which a sample can be selected. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Next, very easy question. How many levels are there in the Panchayati Raj system in India, which was constitutionally formalized in the year 1992? There were total three levels. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, an observational study that employs continuous or repeated measures, okay, continuous or repeated measures to follow or observe particular individuals or groups over a prolonged period of time after years or decades is known as cross-sectional study, census study, longitudinal study, or descriptive study. The correct answer would be longitudinal study, because only in longitudinal study it is done for a long period of time. Okay, now coming to the sixth question, a kind of reasoning question. See here, what will be your correct answer? See here, you can see it forms A to D. Okay, so I to L. Okay, I, J, K, L. Okay, so there are two letters gap. Okay, so obviously if there is O, here should be P, Q, R. Okay, MNO, P, Q, then R. So where the R is coming in the letter donor. So correct answer would be donor. Okay, just two letters gap. Okay. Now coming to the next question. On completion of 1 year of NEP 2020 in July 2021, the Government of India has announced the decision to offer engineering degree education in 5 Indian languages. Okay, identify the language in which engineering education will be taught. So in 14 engineering colleges, the engineering education will be given in the local language, that means 5 Indian language, and Bengali is one of them. Okay, so correct answer is Bengali. Others are like Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, etc. Okay, now next question, what is the next term in the following series? See, the difference between 4 to 20 is 16. Okay, then 20 to 35 is 15. Okay, 15. So then 35 to 49 is 14. 49 to 62 is 13. then 62 to 74 is 12. So it is just decreasing by 1 in numerical number. Okay, so the next would be 74 plus 11. 74 plus 11. So the correct answer will be 85. Okay. Now coming to the next question. The study of body language, gestures, postures, facial expressions and body movements is known as, this is a very simple question, study of body language is known as kinesics. Okay, so correct answer is option D. Now, if the first and seventh letter of the word bureaucratic are interchanged, okay, first and seventh letter are interchanged, also the second and eighth letter and so on, then which would be the fifth letter? Okay. So see here, first is changed with 7th, second with 8th, third will be with 9th, fourth will be with 10th, fifth will be with 11th. So what is the 11th letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11th letter is I. Okay, so correct answer is I. Option B. Okay. So coming to the next question. There was a comprehension, a passage. Okay, so I have not given the passage here, I am just marking the correct answer here. Okay, which of the following phrases used in the passage is not a metaphor? See here, all the 4 phrases have been used in the passage, but the word match fixing is not a metaphor. All the other 3 words like silver lining, willow game and greased with greed are the metaphors. So correct answer is option B. Next, according to the author, the Board of Control for Cricket in India was reluctant to accept any of the conditions of NADA. So correct answer is option B. Okay. Next question. Which of the following statements is not implied in this passage? So the statement number 2, sports persons may try all means to win. This statement was not implied in the passage. Okay. Next question. Which of the following best reflects the author's view of human conduct? The correct answer would be option A, which is ideal regarding human conduct may not always be practical. Okay. Now coming to the 15th question. Which of the following options is closest in the meaning to the word behemoth used in the passage? Behemoth means a very powerful organization. Okay, so here the correct answer would be option C, a powerful organization. Coming to the next question, question number 16. 4 options are given here. Okay, and you have to choose the correct option. See here, the option number 1, where it is said that in 1854 the first time 3 universities were set up in India. No, the first university was set up in India in 1857 and it is our very own Calcutta University. Okay, so option A is incorrect. So wherever option A are present, those are incorrect. So option A and D are incorrect. Okay, now see, there are only 2 options left, B and C, and the difference between 2 options is the option 4. Now let's read the option 4. National Congress was set up in 1906 for imparting knowledge of Indians' art, literature and philosophy under the principalship of Motilal Ghosh. Here the first principal was Sri Aurobindo, not Motilal Ghosh. So option 4 is also incorrect. So your correct answer would be option C. Okay, only 2 and 3 are correct. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Given how many goals are there in the sustainable development goals? Very easy to answer question. It is 17. Option C. Now the next question. Given below are different steps of teaching process. Okay, 5 steps are given here, and what will be your correct sequence? Okay, see here, the first step of teaching is formulating your objective. So the first step is option 4. Okay, so see here where the option 4 is given, in option C. First option is option 4. So after formulating objective, what should you do? You should relate the present knowledge with the previous knowledge. Then you should present the materials. Then you should evaluate, and after that you should reteach. Okay, so the correct answer is option C. Okay, option C. Now coming to the next question. new quantitative questions. Okay, so here I am not going to discuss how to solve the question. I will bring another video where I will solve all the quantitative questions and reasoning questions. Okay, here I am just answering the correct answer. Okay, as I have already done the questions, exercise the questions, so I am just ticking the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer of question number 19 is option A. Now, question number 20. The name of the virtual assistant promoted by Apple, which can create reminders, take notes, set alarms, among many other tasks is. So, Apple has created the virtual assistant named Siri. Okay, so correct answer is Siri. Alexa is created by Amazon. Okay, you know all. Okay, so correct answer is Siri. Now coming to the next question, 2 to half, 1, 1 to half, half to 1/4, 1/4 to 1/8. So it is being the half. Okay, so what is the half of 1 by 8? 1 by 16. 1 by 16 means here the correct answer would be 3 by 48. Okay, option B. Now question number 22. Achievement tests are commonly used for the purpose of assessing the amount of learning after the teaching. So correct answer is option D. Okay. Now coming to the question number 23, another quantitative question, and here the correct answer would be your option C, W. Okay. Now the question number 24, the full form of NKN, which is responsible to provide unified high-speed network backbone for the educational institutions in India, is National Knowledge Network, option B. Okay. Now question number 25, very easy to answer question. Gurukul system of education in India flourished during Vedic period. Okay, later Vedic period actually. Next question, it is a reasoning question. Here the rectangle represents the main. Okay, rectangle is representing the main, triangle represents educated persons, circle represents urban, and square represents government employees. Okay, so what is represented by the number 4? Okay, so 4 is here. So 4 is representing main, who are urban, and along with that who are educated. So urban educated men. So correct answer is option B. Okay. Now which one of the following represents the educated men but not urban? Educated men but not urban. Okay. Urban is represented by the circle. So the correct answer would be your 11. Answer would be 11. Option D. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which one of the following represents urban men government employees? Urban men and government employees. Okay. So see here, the urban men and government employees, the correct answer would be your option 6. 6 would be your correct answer, option B. Okay. Now the dynamic approach to teaching learning process means that, what is the dynamic approach of teaching learning? That means where your students are also participating. So correct answer would be teaching should emphasize students participation through learning activities. Okay. Now the question number 30, what is the instrument known for measuring the earthquake? Very easy to answer question. Correct answer is seismograph. Next, which application protocol is used for distributed, collaborative and hypermedia data communication in World Wide Web? Correct answer is HTTP. Okay. Next question, grading the final learning's outcomes is known as summative evaluation. Very easy to answer question. Question number 33 may be the most easiest question. Okay, which technology allows sharing of internet access of one mobile node among the other nodes using wireless medium? Correct answer is hotspot. We all use hotspot, right? Next question. Another quantitative question. A given mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. Okay. So, find the quantity of milk in the given mixture. I will do the answer in another video. Okay. So, the correct answer is 10 liters. Option C. Okay. Now, Identify the IP address from the following. See here, only by seeing you can answer that. The correct answer is option B, because in IP address we can see there are points, okay, and the number never exceeds 255. So and there is never any kind of @ dash etc. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Very easy to answer questions. Next question, which branch of philosophy examines issues pertaining to the nature of reality? Whenever the term reality comes, the answer will be ontology. Next, the standard error is a statistical measure of the extent to which a sample mean is likely to differ from the population mean. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Now, question number 38. Okay. Question number 38 says, what are the primary goals of sustainability? The primary goals of sustainability are to end the poverty and hunger. All of the four. Just read it out and your correct answer is option D, all of the four. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Match the following list. Ship Samudra project. Okay, it is situated on Kaveri river. Hirakud. So A will match with 4. So correct answer is option D. Just you don't need to read all the options. Okay, just if you know any one of them, you can easily answer this kind of questions. Hirakud project on Mahanadi, river Mahanadi, Mandi project on Beas, and Nagarjuna project on Krishna. Okay, Krishna river. Next, a virtual memory means an illusion of extremely large main memory. Okay. Next question, which of the following is the cause of extinction of plants and animals in water? Obviously, the plants and animals in water may get extinct when there is oxygen depletion. So, correct answer is option C. Next, which of the following is the most appropriate criteria for evaluating the effectiveness of teaching? Your effectiveness of teaching can be evaluated by evaluating the learning outcomes. So, correct answer is option A. Next, which of the following abbreviations used in footnotes and endnotes, that means in the same place? In the same place means IBID. Okay. Next question, noise pollution is created if the noise is in excess of, okay, whenever the noise is in excess of 80 to 85 decibel, then the noise pollution is created. So correct answer is option A. Okay. Next question, the term research methodology refers to, research methodology means the practice of data collection or the data collection, analysis and interpretation. So correct answer is option D, the theoretical paradigm for data collection, analysis and interpretation. Whenever you can see these three options, these three terms, the correct answer is that one. Okay. The term pedagogy refers to, pedagogy means the method of the method of teaching in theory and practice. Okay, so here there may be a confusion between option A and option C, but as the option C is more applicable, more suitable than option A, so we are going to take option C. Okay, but correct, the suitable answer can be only known after the official answer key gets revealed. Okay, next question, coming to the next question, this is the quantitative questions. Okay, I am not going in details, I am just ticking the correct answer. Question, the correct answer of question number 47 would be option B, 10:13. Then of 48 is 69%, option C. And then 49, it would be option C, 1%, and in case of question number 50, it would be option D, rupees 36.66 lakh. Okay, so with this I end today's video here. I will come up with another video where I will solve all the quantitative and reasoning questions of general paper. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and obviously share it all of your friends, between all of your friends who have given this examination. Okay, so thanks for watching and happy learning.